We begin the bulletin with the latest on the COVID-19 outbreak from the Ghana Health Service. Now, as of the morning of 26th March 2020, a total of 54 cases, including 3 deaths, had been confirmed from regular surveillance systems. All the 3 cases that unfortunately succumbed to the disease were aged and had underlying chronic medical conditions. All the other 51 cases are well. 14 cases are being managed at home, and the rest are responding well to treatment on admission in isolation. They are awaiting test results and will be discharged when the results are negative. The great majority of the confirmed cases are Ghanaians who are returning home from affected countries. 7 of other nationals, namely Norway, Lebanon, China, Netherlands, and the United Kingdom. The number of confirmed cases among travelers under mandatory quarantine who have tested positive, is 78. Now, in respect of contact tracing, a total of 970 contacts have been identified and are being tracked. Out of these, 204 have completed the 14 days mandatory follow-up. Some doctors and nurses at the Tamale Teaching Hospital have been asked to self-isolate after they came into contact with a suspected COVID-19 case. The woman was referred from the Waliwali Hospital to the Tamale Teaching Hospital with difficulty in breathing and a high fever, but she passed on at TTH. Samples have been taken for testing, and correspondent Martina Bugri joins us with details. Martina, what more do we know about this case? Right, Martina, we want to know what more information we have on this woman who passed at the Tamale Teaching Hospital.
What we do know is that she was brought in from the Waliwali Polyclinic. We are told that she had given birth, she had difficulty in breathing and a high fever, and so she was brought in. She had come into contact with some health officials, and so they were asked to self-quarantine while samples of the woman has been taken for testing. We are also told, my source tells me that there are other cases of suspected COVID-19 also in the hospital have taken some samples and they are testing. They are yet to get the results. He wouldn't be specific to tell me exactly how many people they are testing now, but what we do know is there are some cases that are under testing now from the Tamale Teaching Hospital.
Now, these health personnel who are self-isolating, Martina, do we know if they are being supervised in any way? Do we know if, for instance, they are being surveilled to ensure that they stay indoors?
What I was told was that they've been asked to stay away, and they've been asked to stay away from their families as well, and they are being checked periodically.
Do we know how many they are?
There won't be specifics.
Right, Martina, thank you very much for bringing us those details. Martina Bugri with the latest on this from the northern region. Stay with this channel for more details. Now,